And I could thank the Rise Inside team for the months of hard work and thoughtfulness for creating a platform where they are felicitating the authors. Because generally, when we see an award function, they generally with respect to the celebrities and everything. But now they are making it for the forum for the creative artists as well. So, first of all, thank you for that. Thank you, Evans Publications, for giving me an opportunity for publishing my book, my debut book. So, as Anjani mentioned, to explain the name, from Crayons to Clay, it's nothing but the life journey from childhood to the old age, where we need the cane. Cane is nothing but the support which we need throughout our life. That book is nothing but the journey, what I faced since my childhood. It can be the traumas, the cherishable moments. Some moments were the eye opener for me, when made me optimistic. क्योंकि जनरली कुछ लोग रहते हैं, अरे बचपन में मुझे इससे डर लग गया था, वही लेकिन प्रफ्तारा मैम ने बोला कि when we get into something and we fear something, make that into your other power. तो उसी को चीज करते हुए मैंने बुक देखी. काफी मैंने अब तक आई एम नॉट एन ओल्ड एज पर्सन कि मैं उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस लिखूं, बट एज अ चाइल्ड आई वाज वेरी ऑब्जर्वेंट. देख के समझ के the struggle will be hard. Like मेरे parents, मेरे grandparents, in and around in the family, उनके observation, उनके experience, उनको note down किया मैंने. And when I drafted it to the publication, initially I believe 7 to 8 draft more registered. But after that, when I presented the ninth draft, उसके बाद I got to know, okay, what exactly needs to be written out. And because this journey is not easy, आप सोचते हो that is different, but when we need to write down, it is completely different. So that one, like the ninth draft was selected, then there was no looking back at the books. After that, when I started publication, like when everything went with the flow, then I understood, okay, now when a thought is there, that needs to be written down. Because there are experiences which we need to follow. And because one thing which I, while writing the book is that, मैंने भी ये ट्रेन किया है, तो कितने न कितने ने भी किया ही होगा throughout the journey. We don't open up. And ये बुक जो है इस नथिंग बट आप जब पढ़ोगे it would be like, अरे ये तो मेरी ही कहानी है, ये मैंने ही है, ये मैंने ही एक्सपीरियंस किया है. Let it be a 10-year-old person, let it be a 50-year-old person, or let it be a 90-year-old person. Everyone can relate to this book. And after that, I like to thank the animation, the Right Inside team, the Aaron Pub. Then I like to thank my parents. Actually, my dad is here. He's working in Raipur as a head QA in one of the tea plants. And being here in Bengal, it was very helpful for me to understand what he went through. Because of his all support and everything, I'm standing here. The mentors, what is upbringing he gave me, which was very helpful. And after that, I'd like to thank my mentor, my childhood friend Anjani, who believed in me and gave me motivation to write it when I thought, okay, I will be able to complete the book on time. Because when as a debut author, I'm completely working into a cybersecurity permanent program manager. I have my own company which known as Happen Enterprises. And I'm into the Gurukul Education Club as a university where we help the students, the Indian students. And after that, she's the secretary of that. She's the director of Marikish Education Foundation. She's the G20 speaker. And she's the founder of Anjani Classes. And she's a 2 times Guinness for World Record holder in Bharatanatyam. So, about Paul, she's the one who believed and motivated me for writing the book, and she inspires everyone with her journey and everything. So because this book is not a perfect book, it is an honest book. It is my thoughts which everyone can relate to. And the vision, because it's a charity, and I believe in, as a millennial, I believe in writing and express my thoughts and make it reach of the world. Because take the elements of communication to turn my thought into words and present it in front of the world. So thank you everyone. And last thing I like to say is It's nothing but if a thought keeps returning, it deserves attention. If story keeps talking, it deserves needs to be written down. Thank you everyone. Every reader chooses my words. And thank you, life, for teaching me that from chaos to pain, every page is matter. Thanks very much.